In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the official Adobe After Effects free trial on both Windows and Mac. We are going to use only Adobe's own website for this, so no cracks, no viruses, and no illegal downloads. First, head down to the description below and click the link I've added there. It takes you directly to Adobe's official After Effects page. This ensures you are on the real site and that your download is 100% safe and legitimate. On that page, look for the button that says Start Free Trial and click it. You'll see a few plan options like individual, business, student, and teacher. Choose the one that actually fits you. Right now, this plan usually includes a 7-day free trial, but always read the details on your screen because Adobe's offers can change. Next, enter your email to create a new account, or sign into your existing Adobe ID. Adobe will likely ask for payment details to activate the trial. They usually won't charge you a dime until the trial period ends, but make sure you check the exact renewal date and price. I recommend setting a reminder on your phone right now so you don't forget. After you confirm, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install that first. Once you log into Creative Cloud, go to the Apps section, find After Effects, and click Install. After Effects is a powerful program, so it might take a few minutes to download, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is done, you can open After Effects directly from the Creative Cloud app, your Start menu, or your Applications folder. You now have the full, unrestricted version of the software for the duration of your free trial. Use the official Adobe link in the description to start your trial safely. Full disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I might earn a small commission if you sign up after the trial at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more editing software guides. Thanks for watching.